No supported authentication methods available in FileZilla. I'm using FileZilla to connect to my sftp server. But when I'm trying to connect, it gives me this error. Error, disconnected, no supported authentication methods available, server sent, publickey. I have generated a private key with publickey and added it to FileZilla, but this error still appears. What does this error mean? And how can I solve it?
The error means that FileZilla tried all available authentication methods and have not succeeded. In your case, there was only public key authentication method available, a method that the client, FileZilla, and the server agreed on mutually. As you claim that you have set up FileZilla correctly, chances are that you have not configured the public key on server side. For instructions see this URL or this URL and disconnected, no supported authentication methods available. Though actually all the guides expect that you have a way to connect, for example password authentication. What does not seem to be the case? Possibly your server administrator/hosting provider has its own mechanism for setting up the public key authentication. If you specify, what is your server like, you may get more specific answers.
I had similar issue. Error was error, disconnected, no supported authentication methods available, server sent, publickey. And simply go to FileZilla, edit settings, sftp, add key file, add your ppk file. OK. Connect again and issue resolved.
Give answer then 5 other answers here above, as of this moment. I received this authentication error, no supported authentication methods available, server sent, publickey, repeatedly while connecting to my Google Cloud project and connecting through FileZilla, even when I had spent hours checking my every step again and again by watching diff YouTube videos and reading articles over DigitalOcean and similar. But finally succeeded in a second, when I went into Cloud and GT, Desired Project and GT, Compute Engine and GT, Metadata in the left bar and GT, Metadata in the main pane and GT, and there I changed Enable as Login from true to false. I had, sometime in my overzeal, had put in this key yesterday while doing something else.
FileZilla SSH, cPanel instructions. Set FileZilla to SSH/SFTP using the site manager. Set to use authorization by key file. For me, I had to go into cPanel and then create a key. Remember your password, you need it in a minute. Then authorize my key, P. Convert your key to PPK in cPanel. You need your password. Download it in AMP, save it somewhere you remember. Use the Browse option in FileZilla SFTP settings and then upload it. Then I also had to change my username in FileZilla from @_RSA to my cPanel account name. After that, things worked well. As an additional note, instead of using my remote directory as /public_html/ which I would for FTP, I had to change it to the full directory /home/yourpanel username /public_html. Hope that helps someone. In one case I had moved my PPK into a subfolder, which was the issue.
If you want support channel, please consider subscribing.